Crispy outside, juicy chicken filling inside. These homemade chicken spring rolls are perfect for Ramadan. If you liked my veg spring rolls, today I am sharing the chicken version, even more delicious and freezer friendly. Start by finely chopping vegetables. And shred boiled chicken. Heat oil in a karai, add chopped ginger garlic and saute until fragrant. Now add all the veggies like cabbage, carrot, capsicum and onion. Stir fry on medium heat. Then add the chicken and cook for a few minutes. Season with white vinegar, dark soya sauce, red chili sauce, tomato ketchup and salt. Lastly, add spring onion and cook everything well. Let the filling cool down completely before stuffing it. Take a spring roll sheet, place the filling on one side, fold the sides and roll it tightly. Seal the edges with flour slurry. Repeat and prepare all the rolls. You can store these rolls in the freezer for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Just fry them directly whenever needed. For frying, heat oil on medium flame and fry the rolls from both sides until golden and crispy. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. And look at that perfectly crispy chicken spring rolls. Serve hot with your favorite sauce and enjoy. For more easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.